today is December 25, but gabi na guys, kasi bagong ligo na ako, ayan. Kakauwi lang nung family ni Habi. So, nakapag-vlog ako ng konting mga clips kanina, kung ano yung ginawa namin the whole day. As in, kaming family lang talaga yung nag-gather today. Yung family ni Habi, tsaka family ko, like my brother yon. Talagang kami lang talaga, tsaka yung mga kapatid ni Habi and si Daddy. So, kami lang talaga. Sana okay yung Christmas nyo. Kami, okay naman, kahit medyo malungkot dahil wala nga reunion. Pero, masaya na rin kasi kahit papano, kasama ko yung family ko, tapos healthy kami, walang sakit. And, syempre, yung important is happy yung kids din, diba? So, guys, usually talaga is may reunion tayo. But this year is sobrang hirap talaga. Ang daming changes kasi nga, diba, hindi pwedeng mag-reunion dahil nga sa pandemic. Pero, kahit pa paano, na-celebrate namin yung Christmas as a family pa din. So, ayun, mag-insert ako ng mga video clips kung ano yung ginawa namin the whole day. If you want to see the whole vlog, please keep on watching. Ayan, ang daming gifts ng mga kids. Actually, yung mga kiddos lang yung merong gifts talaga. Tapos, merong konting sa amin. Pero as in, talagang sobrang mga isang peraso lang o 2 peraso yung sa amin dyan. Yan, mostly lahat ng mga nakikita nyo, Toys R Us and Toy Kingdom sa kiddos lang talaga. Ayan. So, later, i-unbox siguro nila Jaran and Katie yun. So, yun.
It's time to open gifts!
Open na nila. That's from, read. That's from Ninang Joret and Ate Monica.
Oh my God!
What? Katie, come here. Wow, that's so plenty. Come here, Katie. Come here.
Wow.
Come here, Katie. This is from Tita Joret, Ate Monica, and Tito Jomel. Come here, Katie. This is yours. Katie. Katie.
Have a yo-yo. Can you read that?
Open, Kitty.
Popping candy.
Kitty. Wow! Slippers! OMG! It's Cookie! Oh, that's so cute! Oh my gosh! My army heart is crying! Oh, it's so cute!
We have a...
Jungkook! Next. Will you share that to Katie, ha? That's super plenty. I'll put it there. So cool. What will you say to Tita Monica and Ninang Jorica?
Thank you, Ate Monica and Yang Jared.
Where's the I love? Tito Ninong Jomel. Ninong Jomel. Oh, let's open another gift, Kuya. Kuya? Come on, let's open another gift. This is one from Yaya.
Oh, thank you, Yaya. Welcome.
Si Katie, ate, pag-open mo. Katie?
Oh my God!
Katie?
Yaya,
Open.
this is my favorite.
Katie, open this. Ate, help me dun.
Play-Doh!
Open that.
No way!
Ate, open.
This is... Yaya, open it. Oh my goodness.
Katie!
Oh, yeah.
Kuya, you open Katie's gift.
Kiss Yaya.
Open Katie's gift. Katie!
See what this...
Katie don't know how to open pa eh.
Katie. Wow! Look out!
Oh, pick another gift, Kuya.
I'm gonna pick...
Just read your name, okay? That one. From who's that from? You read the card.
Yaya! Yaya again!
Ate, open the other one gift for Katie.
Where?
No way!
Saan dyan?
Ayun na yung red na sa harap.
Yaya!
Hindi, yun o. Ayun yun na. Ayan. Give to Katie. That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Open! Let's open. Here.
Open, ate.
Feels like I have this already,
But your old one is broken na, so that one's new. Look! Katie! Wow!
no way. That isn't real, right?
That's Hello Kitty! From Mommy and Daddy! Oh, Kuya, you open Mommy and Daddy's gift at your back.
Wow!
you open that one. The paper bag. That's from you. Ate, bigyan mo nga yan. Wow! Katie, look! Ate, yung paper bag, bigyan mo kay Jaron.
This one?
Yeah. O yan, that's from Mama and Papa. Kuya, open it nga. Kuya, open that one first. Open it muna. That's your favorite color, eh. What is it?
It's a cat.
Can you wear it? Let's see. Oh, that's so nice color. Your favorite. Open it. Then just try it on. And then let's open your big gift. Ate, get the tall one. The tall gift of Katie. Try it on nga.
Mommy, I can pop that.
Later. Yeah, you're gonna open it later. Oh, open kuya. Wear it muna. Wow, face mommy. Oh, so guwapo. Oh, open the big one.
See what is this?
That's from mommy and daddy. Ate, the tall one. Tall. Yan. Yan.
Hey, Katie?
Yes, that's for Katie. Katie, look! Te, open mo na yan.
Katie, you have the big giant toy! Katie, oh my God!
That is the Plants vs. Zombies one.
Oh, kiss mommy first.
Thank you, mommy. Oh my God. What
Wow.
are you doing?
Ate,
Dad?
open it na.
Katie, this
That is the Plants vs. Zombies. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do we have so many?
Kuya, look at Katie's gift.
No way.
Kuya.
Oh my God. That is so cool.
Hello, Katie talaga gusto niya.
So cool. I got
Say hi,
it.
Katie.
I
Hi.
got the one. I got the only one. Plants vs. Zombies.
Ate, open mo nga yung doctor set.
Oh my
Open mo
God.
muna yan.
Mommy,
Ooh,
there's something at the back too.
that's part of the toy, kuya.
Yeah, pirate cannon.
Wow. Ate, yung blue na paper bag, kila Jaron Katie din yan. Can you get?
where?
Yun yung sa likod ng
Oh
Kit
my
Kat.
God, they're popping balls.
Katie, that big doll is from Mama and Papa. Yes. Basahin mo kung kanino.
From Nat and Baby Eye.
Baby Aya. Yay! Thank you, Kuya Natnat.
Katie.
Wow! Open, Kuya. Let me see. Is it twinning?
Oh my God.
Oh,
It's
twinning.
It's a Snoopy
Katie.
pajama.
Wow!
And it's a Mickey Mouse pajama.
Ate, yun pa yung paper bag na polka dots.
Ooh.
Paper bag na polka dots.
Gonna break you.
Kanina yan.
Two.
Open mo na.
Oh, maybe for Jaron. Walang name.
Kay kay ate. Hoy, say thank you, Tita Joyce. Hey, look at here, Kuya.
Joyce.
For Katie. That's for Katie. Messi. Wow, ang cute. Yung isa.
My
Skirt?
lips are the
Dress.
best.
Wow! Thank you, Ate Joyce. Katie, come here. Say thank you. Oh, open the biggest gift.
That's for Katie.
Mama and Papa. Katie, look at that one. Katie, look at that one. Katie.
Katie, look!
Kuya, help. At Yaya. Help Yaya. Dali.
One big gift to me. Oh my God! It's a
Vanity! Wow! Sarap mo, te. Nice. Wow, it's a giant. Ayun pa yung Hello Kitty. Open mo yung Hello Kitty. Yung kay Ate Min. From Princess. Thank you, Ate Mickey. We miss you. Oh, ang ganda ng Barbie. Gosh.
Oh my God, that's more bigger than I thought.
Yeah. And this one is from me and Daddy. Yes, open it. O, Kuya, open the Kit Kat also. No more gifts na. That's the last one.
Ay, ang ganda ng lalagyan.
Kaya nga eh.
Open this.
Di ba ang messy?
That one.
Katie, this for you!
Kit Kat, Katie.
Kalat. Katie, look! Wow!
Katie, look!
Is it a Play-Doh?
I don't think so, yeah.
Macy?
Maybe.
Oh, so cute. Katie, from Ate Mickey. Thank you, Ate Mickey. Nakatingin na siya dun sa ano. Kitty, you like that? Kitty, you like that?
It's that one.
Kitty! Oh, that's so gorgeous. Ang ganda. Ang laki. Grabe. Let's open that later when Daddy comes home. Give Yaya. Give Yaya. That's chocolate.
Merry Christmas!
Everyone!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Yay! Katie! That's... May I see that one? That's so cute. This is from Mommy and Daddy also. Kitty,
Wow,
the doctor set.
I have a cool one.
May I see that? Thank you to... Say thank you to Tita Joyce.
Thank you, Tita Joyce.
And Tito Archie.
Tito Harvey.
Yay! Get your ano nga, Plants vs. Zombies. I wanna look at it. Kasi you opened the others na yesterday, Kuya. This one is from Sisral. Thank you so much, Sisral. Open lang. Open ko na to, nilagay ko lang. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sisral, Kitty Seller. Ayan. Ang cute. Thank you, sis. Yee, cutie. Thank you, thank you. Wait for my gift. Thank you so much, sis. I love you. Meron pa. Ito pa. Yay, ang cute. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Wrong, baby. Wrong, wrong. No, wrong, baby. Wrong.
You have to build
Oh.
Daddy. You really have
Katie,
to
no. No, stay here. Sit down. Wow.
Open the transfer zombie.
No, let's open the Play-Doh. And then, Call of Duty!
Yeah.
Okay, next. Next. 3 more to go for me. If I get this all right, I win.
Look at tomato.
You're cute, Katie. You're cute.
Oh my God, this is a real body.
Yung ano ba to? Baka sumisipa to.
Oh, okay.
Dito sa ito.
Oh, cute.
Oh, don't smell it. It's fresh. Don't smell it.
It's sinking.
Oh, that's your gravy tonight.
Katie.
So these are my grapes.
Katie.
Oh,
Hi. That's from Mama and Papa, ha?
Guess it muna, kuya. What's that? Guess it.
Probably
Open, Katie. Open. Open gift. Open gift. Ayaw. Daddy, open mo yung kay Katie, oh.
Katie ka, let's open.
Doon, natabi mo doon para kita sa beat.
Oh my God! It's Ryan! It's Ryan! Ryan! I knew it! It was
Regalo mo? Akala ko regalo mo. Ang mahal ka ako. That's Tom Tom.
Real talk, Katie. Matoka niya yan.
Regalo ni Ate Tata. That's from Yaya, Katie. That's from Yaya.
Hold on!
makatulog din dyan.
Kaya nga eh, gusto ko nga eh. Jesus. Baby. Kaya nga eh. Baby ulit.
Hindi mo alam, makakatulog ka dyan.
Come on! 2, 1.
Yun ako.
Do your own.
Papa. Oh, birds! May birds nga naman.
Baby! There's a pig in the house!
Dinner.
That baby is sus. See that? See that ba?
Bone marrow. Putok bato. Shabu-shabu. Thankyou. So, ayan guys. Yan lang yung vlog for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Please like and subscribe, share if you like this video, and follow me on Instagram, princess_kitty_. Guys, follow nyo rin yung IG account ni Katie, Hello Kitty_Katie_baby. And meron pa rin siyang ongoing giveaway, guys. Ongoing pa rin yun hanggang December 30. If gusto nyo mag-join na kayo. I-draw siya sa December 30. Follow nyo lang yung mechanics posted on Katie's Instagram account. Andun lahat ng mechanics on how to join the giveaway. Sobrang bongga lang, guys. So, yun. And by the way, guys, yung Teamiblends, continuous lang ako. Andito ako sa kitchen kasi kukuha ako ng tsaa ko. It's actually my day 12. So, ayan. Medyo nag-miss ako ng isang araw. So, ayan. If you want to use my code, kasi may holiday sale sila, type nyo lang yung PKGen50 hanggang January lang yata yung holiday sale nila. So, grab nyo na guys yung opportunity kasi sayang yung sale. And sobrang gaganda ng mga products nila. Merong mga detox mask. By the way guys, I'm using the 30-day Teamiblend Detox, yung Teami Skinny and Teami Colon. So, ayun. Try nyo guys kasi sobrang okay siya para sa akin. Dahil nga, as you watch my previous vlog, constipated ako guys. And yung sa akin is sobrang ganda ng effect niya sa pag-poop ko. As in talagang smooth na siya. Dati kasi talagang, alam niyo naman, di ba, TMI guys. Pwede nyo lang ang code ko para maka 50% off kayo. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!